So hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. In this particular YouTube video, I'll be showing you how to create a post in WordPress. The first thing to do is to sign into your WordPress account from your control panel. So once you've done that by signing into your WordPress account, go to the left side of your dashboard. Here you find pages you've received posts. So the only thing you do in order to create a post is to move your mouse on top of the post and then click add new. This will take you to another page where you fill out the title of the post and then the content. So here I'll just create a title, how to create a post in WordPress. So like I usually do, I'll just put in brackets, I'll put the year. Although it's not necessary, but for the purpose of this tutorial, for this video, I'm just going to do that. So this is you just post whatever you want to put there. This is it. Then click publish. So after clicking publish, you've already created your post. So all you just have to do is click view posts when you've already submitted the post. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and also subscribe to this channel so that you can continue to get educative and interesting and awesome videos that I'll be posting from time to time. Thanks and peace.